Friends, today I have bought the Primo water and dispenser. So we don't drink tap water. We're in Central Texas. Sometimes the water do smell, and then we like the taste of the purified water, mineral water. So we bought this one instead of expensive water dispenser. So it's a manual water dispenser. It is only $10 from Walmart or Lowe's. So it has this part. When you press, it will suck up the water, and it is very sturdy, strong. So let's see what other thing we have here. So there's some pipes that should go for 3 gallon or 5 gallons. So for 5 gallons you may add this big two, or for 3 gallon you may want this one, and this is the water tap where the water will come out. So what else? It has a nice manual if you want to use. There's a cap that you should put your Primo bottle on top, which is the bottles are $13.44. There's a sticker in there, and there's some free coupon inside if you wanna buy exchange water. But again, the Primo 5 gallon water bottles, the first time if you buy, it's like $13.44, and then the exchanges are $6 or so. But I didn't want it to do that. Oh, one thing, with the manual dispenser, you also get a $5 off coupon. That if you buy Primo 5 gallon bottle, then you will get a $5 off, and this is the coupon. But again, I didn't buy the Primo bottles because I like the handle of American Maid. This is easy to clean because the handle is not built into the gallon, so it has a different handle. So I bought the American Maid water bottle, and which is much cheaper. It is only $7.44. But when you buy the Primo, it will say that not compatible with American Maid bottles. So if you try to attach on any of the American Maid bottle, you'll see it doesn't fit. It doesn't tight itself. So there's a trick I'll show you right now that you can make it work with your American Maid bottle. You just need one flat screwdriver, small. You can take this part. You see that this part here. If you pull it, the whole knob will come out. But this is risky. You may break it. So what I will just do, just use this and take the gasket out. There's a transparent gasket. If you take this gasket out from the Primo bottle, and now you'll see it perfectly fits. See, it perfectly fit on the American Maid bottle. So now I'll take it off to show. I'll attach my water tap here, and I'm using a 5 gallon. So my gallon is 5 gallons, so I use two big. Hope it will fit in. Right, so now it's sturdy, ready, and I just need a cup. I open the cap. Now see, it's working. So the Primo manual dispenser works with American Maid 5 gallon, and it really works as it's supposed to. So if you want to use this trick, it's fine. If you want to use the Primo bottle, one thing, the American Maid 5 gallon bottles are a little bit lighter. The Primo bottle, which is $12 or so, that is pretty strong. If you want to use that, that's fine. But I just wanted to go like lower price, so I used this, and you see it's really working perfect. So thank you guys for watching our video. Please subscribe and like. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel, and share your comments. How do you like it? Thank you.